How to check if all elements of a list match a condition. I have a list consisting of like 20,000 lists. I use each list's third element as a flag. I want to do some operations on this list as long as at least one element's flag is 0, it's like. In the beginning, all flags are 0. I use a while loop to check if at least one element's flag is 0. If check by underscore list returns true, then I continue working on my list. Actually, I wanted to remove an element in my underscore list as I iterated over it, but I'm not allowed to remove items as I iterate over it. Original my underscore list didn't have flags. Since I couldn't remove elements as I iterated over it, I invented these flags. But the my underscore list contains many items, and while loop reads all of them at each for loop, and it consumes lots of time. Do you have any suggestions?
The best answer here is to use all, which is the built-in for this situation. We combine this with a generator expression to produce the result you want cleanly and efficiently. For example, note that all flag equals 0 for underscore flag in items is directly equivalent to all item 2 equals 0 for item in items. It's just a little nicer to read in this case. And, for the filter example, a list comprehension, of course, you could use a generator expression where appropriate. If you want to check at least one element is 0, the better option is to use any which is more readable.
If you want to check if any item in the list violates a condition, use all. To remove all elements not matching, use filter.
You could use it tools's take while like this. It will stop once a condition is met that fails your statement. The opposite method would be drop while.
This way is a bit more flexible than using all. Or more succinctly,
Is your session for you?